Welcome to Microsoft in this course, Developer Full Stack Application with Azure SQL and Prisma. During this course, which we will focus mainly on the backend side, you will learn how to create a scalable, resilient application that uses the main resources and technologies such as Node.Js, Azure Functions, Azure SQL, and Prisma. And in the end, we will learn how to implement this application hosted in the Azure cloud using the service Azure Static Web Apps. From now on, let's see what we will cover during this course. In this module, we will learn what is Prisma, why should we use Prisma, and the main key concepts. In this module, we will learn what is Azure SQL, why should we use Azure SQL, and understand how to use this service with Prisma. In this module, we will learn what is Azure Static Web Apps, a Microsoft Azure service that you can host your static application for free, and how can we integrate your developed backend using Azure Functions with this service. And then, in the next module, we will see what kind of the development tools we will use during our course. In the application development, we will finally start to coding our backend application. Once we finish to develop our full stack application, it's time to deploy using Azure Static Web Apps service. And finally, what is the next steps? If you have any questions about this course, you can find more information at the link to the code developed in the description of this video. There, you will find all of the projects developed in the GitHub repository. I hope you may enjoy this course. See you in the next video.